How to make money at home. Here are 75 ideas that you may want to consider as you look for ways to make money at home. 1. Build and then monetize an online community through a membership or product sales. 2. Participate in online surveys. 3. Sign up for free gift cards online. 4. Rate pizzas online. 5. Review products. 6. Create a website, generate traffic and collect leads to sell to other companies or individuals. 7. Work for online retailers. 8. Earn commissions as an online travel agent. 9. Lesson plans. 10. Rent your clothes online. 11. Offer calligraphy services for wedding invitations, cards and other stationery. 12. Play games online and compete for rewards. 13. Participate in an online focus group. 14. Sell your used books online. 15. Write and sell a book. 16. Sell social media posts or ads on social media accounts or a blog. 17. Evaluate search engines by performing searches, analyzing the results and giving feedback to the search engines based on the relevance of the search results. 18. Create videos and earn money through advertising. 19. Offer at-home daycare. 20. Provide transcriptionist services. 21. Rent your music equipment or studio space. 22. Sell baked goods. 23. Rent your parking space. 24. Buy items from a flea market or yard sale, restore them and sell them online. 25. Sell your old cell phone. 26. Hop online and earn cash for your purchases. 27. Sell your troubleshooting skills. 28. Sell your own photography on stock photo sites. 29. Fill out online surveys. 30. Start a dog walking business. 31. Launch a virtual bookkeeping business. 32. Offer political advocacy services. 33. Sell translation services on freelance platforms. 34. Sell your crafts online. 35. Obtain a remote technical support role. 36. Start an at-home alteration of custom sewing business. 37. Sell your unused space as storage space for people who want to pay less than the cost of a storage unit. 38. Rent out a room in your home. 39. Rent out your car to travelers or people who don't own their own vehicle. 40. Rent your driveway, parking space or street slot. 41. Sell your gently used clothing. 42. Trade in electronics for cash. 43. Sell unused gift cards. 44. Test mobile applications. 45. Become a social media influencer. 46. Egg up as an online mystery shopper. 47. Work virtually for a company. 48. Grow and sell your own produce. 49. Become a voice-over artist. 50. Create your own mobile application. 51. Teach online music lessons. 52. Design and sell T-shirts online. 53. Create video reviews. 54. Pursue a medical coding and billing position. 55. Manage a website. 56. Offer online or social media advertising services. 57. Offer search engine optimization services. 58. Start a mini salon in your home. 59. Invest in real estate. 60. Participate in online market research. 61. Create and sell woodworking projects. 62. Fix search engine mistakes. 63. Sell your junk mail. 64. Cook for special occasions. 65. Create an audio book. 66. Get paid to exercise. 67. Perform meal preparation for others. 68. Create a drop shipping business. 69. Create and sell access to an online course. 70. Teach yoga online. 71. Online market trading. 72. Review music for money. 73. Sell your notes. 74. Buy and sell domain names. 75. Work as a charity collector. Friends, please subscribe channel and click the bell icon. Also, if you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video as well. Thank you.